I bought this door from Facebook. It's a composite door, as you can see, and there's a couple of issues I need to deal with before I can fit it and use it. The two issues are, there's a problem with the alignment of the door. It's sticking at the bottom, and I need to adjust the hinges, I think, to overcome that. I'm not too worried about that one. I'm not going to deal with that in this video. What I'm going to deal with today is the barrel. So when it was supplied, the bloke, I think he collects old doors and old windows and whatever and recycles them, and then I guess when he gets some that are okay, like this one, he'll sell them on, but he doesn't sell them with keys. He said so that he can't be blamed for burglaries or whatever. But anyway, so it was supplied without a lock for the barrel, and he said you just undo the little screw, where is it, there, which I've already taken out, and then the barrel will come out. Well, I knew that's not true. You need to have the key to rotate the little lug inside the barrel to be able to get it out. You do need to remove the screw, but then it still sticks. So what I'm going to try and do today, I've never tried this before, is to snap the barrel. So my understanding is that on some barrels you can snap them. Some of them you can't. Apparently they have a safety, or not safety, security feature, which I'd say probably halfway along inside there, if you see a line, I think when you try and snap it, it snaps along that line rather than further back, which is where you need it to snap. So fortunately this one I can't see any lines, so I'm hoping it will just snap where I want it to. We shall see. If I can't get it to snap, I think I'll have to drill it out, but obviously it's going to be easier to snap it if that's what I can do. So what you need to do, I've already taken the handles off both sides, and as I said, I've taken the screw out on the end there, and you need to work on the longest side. So this side is longer, protruding slightly longer, slightly further than that one. Not much, but a little bit. In fact, looking at it now, it's pretty much the same. But I'm going to work on this side. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to close that door. Let's get the camera lined up. Just see what you can see. Let's zoom in a little bit. And then I'm going to put my mole grips on there. It's right on the limit really of these mole grips. Let's try that. So that's on. And then I believe I just need to do a downward motion. Didn't work, did it? Let's try a bit more grip. Oh, it's just slipping off at the moment. So you don't want to damage the door. I'll try a bit tighter. I think that's going to slip off again. Yeah, it is. I've got some other ones which I don't really like, but I wonder if we can have more luck with these. Too much. Still too much. Okay. you won't be able to see it, but I'm going to try and do it from the other side. I wonder if I can do it like that. Nice idea. I think what I might do possibly is grind the top of that barrel so it's flat. Half the issue is that these grips are slipping off, so I'm going to give that a grind and then we'll have another go. Right, I haven't ground it, but I thought I'd try with the grips up the other way before I do anything else. I think it's a little bit better like that, so let's see what happens. Not a lot of difference so far, is there? I'll try it a little bit more. No, it's just slipping off. If I'm trying to hit it that, well, I can hit it with a hammer without making a difference. A bit over the top. I've got a club hammer lying around. Let's try that. Look at that. It worked. So I think I'm going to have to take, yeah, there's the cam. So I should, in theory, be able to push that out now. Hey, look at that, it worked. So, there you go. This one, as I said before, it didn't have a line down there, which I understand, as I said, is a security feature to stop them from snapping like that. So I'm quite pleased with that. That saves me drilling. Anyway, that's how I did it. Hopefully that will be useful to someone. I've seen different videos on YouTube, but some of them don't mention about that line. I think it's very important, because otherwise you'll break the lock, but it'll still be engaged, so you'll probably still have to drill it out. But that worked for me.